Here it is, a hair tutorial on how I get these effortless looking waves. First, spraying my hair with a heat protectant. If you have finer or thinner hair, I find that the more texture you have to your hair, the better this hairstyle is gonna look. So I usually do this on day 2 hair. Section mine into 3 parts. For this style, I use the 0.75. Make sure to use small sections of hair, and also using a smaller size barrel curling iron gives you a tighter curl, therefore giving you longevity with this style. I do always keep my rod straight up and down. I'm curling away from my face, and I leave a little bit out at the end and then pull down. I pull down on the warm curl just to kind of loosen that curl a little bit. Also, notice how I'm wrapping the curl. I'm wrapping, releasing a little bit, then wrapping some more, releasing a little bit, and wrapping some more the whole way down the curl. Just keep taking down sections one at a time and curling all around your head. I'm kind of sparing you all the curling I'm doing. I sped it up, cut a little bit out, but it's essentially the same thing. Just small sections of hair curled away from your face the whole way around your head. Let down another section, do the same thing, and I'll slow it down and show you the front. Now this I divide down the center, and then I take each side and divide that into 2 sections. Now we're working on these top 2 pieces on each side. Just do this very gently and lightly. It's like barely a curl, it's more of a bend, and then I immediately like drag it out. Let this cool a little bit before I start messing with it. I don't use any type of comb to go through this. I just use my fingers and slowly just kind of separate these curls. One of the key components to hairstyles like this is product. Texture spray, very important. Put your texture spray up like this. It's gonna give you more of like a beachy, tousled look. So gives your hair body and grip and texture. That's what texture spray is for. I always use this. It's Pure Abundance by Aveda. I sprinkle a little bit on the top like a powder, but then it kind of feels a little damp, but it gives me more volume here at the root and more texture. Tiny little bit of hairspray in the front. I just do that to kind of lift up these pieces. And that's it. Now you have these effortless looking waves. This style is slightly time consuming, especially if you have a lot of hair or longer hair on the first day, because you're curling each individual and they're small pieces. If you keep your hair tied back when you go to sleep at night, we'll just have to touch up a few pieces every day, and you can keep this style going for a couple days. Day 2 of this style, I usually flip it over like this. Gives me tons of volume and a whole new look. Drop me a comment, let me know if you're gonna try this, and save it for later.